Broadcasting live tonight here at Newt's Bar and Grill in downtown Orfordville. What's up? It's Paul Michaels and the road crew here until 8 o'clock as we kick off the 15th anniversary weekend with some good old-fashioned midget wrestling presented by one of the legends of old-time wrestling, Rock and Roll, Buck Zumhofe. That gets going at 9 o'clock tonight. 5 big matches. Reality TV star Starla Love will be here, also appearing Half Pint, Big Sep, Strangler, and Sharon Montana. Look them up. They're big time. It is Newt's 15th anniversary party going on through the weekend. Tomorrow, the Car and Truck Show kicks off at noon and runs until 2 o'clock. Registration starts for that at 11 a.m. There's a free corn boil, pig roast, and a DJ all day, plus live music from the Bellcats 2 to 6 p.m. on Saturday, and then Shotgun Jane from 7 to 11 p.m. tomorrow night. All proceeds from the anniversary bash will benefit Orfordville Youth Wrestling. So get out here. We're here until 8 o'clock. Midget Wrestling at 9. Newt's Bar and Grill in Orfordville. Paul Michaels on 105.9 The Hog.